Good morning. Welcome to your Wednesday, October 18th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Across the region yesterday, it was an unseasonably cool day with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to the lower to mid 60s. 64 degrees was the warmest temperature at both Washington, D.C. and Richmond here at Wallops. We only got up to a high of 59 degrees. Our normal daytime high is in the mid to upper 60s for this time of year. And then overnight last night, a very chilly night, temperatures dropping down into the mid 30s to lower 40s across much of the area. 35 degrees was the coolest temperature at Salisbury here at Wallops. We got down to a low of 39 degrees, which is about 10 degrees cooler than what the average normal average is for this time of year. No precipitation across the region yesterday, and currently we had sunny to mostly sunny skies with a temperature of 53 degrees here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. In terms of where we stand in terms of temperatures for this time for October, see, we average out pretty fairly unseasonably warm during the middle portions of this month. Before we start out slightly below normal, temperatures really rose up, and then now we're really dropping back down. Before we were averaging about 7 degrees above normal for this time of year, which would have set a record, but we're starting to drop now, and we're expecting to drop temperatures further for the monthly average. So while we could potentially see a top 5 warmest October on average, still remains to be seen here, as temperatures are expected to be below normal to seasonable over the next day or so, and then return to more seasonal averages, slightly above average. And then as we go towards the later portions of this month, we could see another sharp trough move through the area and drop temperatures below normal. So we're flirting with some top 5 warmest average temperatures for October, but just to give you an idea of where we stand in terms of the monthly temperatures. As we look at our upper air sounding for this morning, we had a northerly wind at about 5 knots at the 1,000-foot level, and then winds rather benign all the way up through the 25,000-foot level, as we have high pressure overhead as well as an upper level ridge, which is providing these light winds throughout the lower 25,000 feet. Our freezing level this morning was at 12,100 feet. Current surface analysis depicting a strong area of high pressure currently over the mid-Atlantic region. It's about 1030 millibar high. This high pressure system will remain over the area through the next several days. It will be fluctuating in terms of its position, but overall still remaining over the mid-Atlantic region and providing what will be seasonable temperatures for the next couple days. We'll start to warm up a bit as our surface winds will actually turn more to a south to southwesterly direction by the end of this week. Temperatures again rising back up into the lower to mid 70s for our daytime highs, and the overnight lows rising into the lower 50s over the next several days, with this high pressure system slowly beginning to push offshore. As we look at the current conditions over the area, temperatures started out in the lower 40s and then are rising quite nicely up into the lower 60s right now with light onshore winds. And as we look at our midday planner for today, high pressure will remain overhead, and we'll have mainly clear skies. Just a few cirrus clouds are expected to stream through the area throughout the afternoon today, and then also overnight tonight. Temperatures dropping down into the mid 40s, so not quite as cool as what we're expecting as what we experienced last night. It should be mainly temperatures dropping down into the mid 40s, which will be aided by the cirrus clouds that will be streaming through the area, as well as some warming low-level temperatures in lower 2,000 feet. Wednesday for our PM planner, still remaining this will be moving into Thursday. Our high pressure system will still be remaining over the area and providing fairly pleasant conditions. Temperatures a little bit warmer, as we'll be warming up into the lower to mid 70s, and then Friday a little bit warmer again, high pressure still remaining over the area. So tranquil conditions continuing through the end of this week. So as we look at the 24-hour risk chart for today into tomorrow, expecting mainly clear skies throughout the day today. Temperatures warming to about 67 degrees for our daytime high expected. We'll have light onshore winds today, eventually shifting more southerly and then becoming light and variable later this evening. And then again, mainly clear skies overnight tonight, with temperatures dropping down to around 46 degrees for overnight low, which is just slightly below normal with the average low being around 49 degrees for this time of year. So we look at the next couple days then. Thursday, mostly sunny and warmer with a high of 72 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear and milder with a low of 54 degrees. And then Friday, sunny and unseasonably warm with temperatures rising into the mid-70s with a high of 75 degrees. Our 7-day forecast showing tranquil and pleasant conditions heading into this weekend. Temperatures remaining in the mid-70s for both Saturday and Sunday under mostly sunny skies. Overnight lows in the lower to mid-50s. Then we'll have a cold front that'll be approaching the region late Monday into Tuesday, and it's associated. It'll be the upper level trough that's associated with this system is quite sharp, and will be providing quite a shot of cold air behind it for the middle portions of next week. As this front does move through the area along with the trough, we can see a chance for some precipitation beginning Monday evening. Can't rule out the chance that we could see a thunderstorm move through the area Monday evening into Tuesday, and then better chances it looks like on Tuesday with the actual front moving through the region and the potential for an area of low pressure riding along that boundary, providing us with some areas of heavy rainfall possible, as well as some embedded thunderstorms. It's not out of the question that some areas could see over 2 inches of rain with this system, but there's a lot of factors that play with it, and we could there's going to be a lot of changes, it looks like, to the forecast as we go through the next several days, but we'll keep you updated as we go throughout the remainder of this week. We'll let it conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning at 8:15 for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.